cashing out period with our cashback at Tiwa Commercial Hub. It's how I go do this for you now. You know that with 500,000 naira, you can get 32% profit in 12 months. Like, which bank can give you that? The best the bank can give to you is 3.5% on your savings. That if you get it anyways. But in Tiwa Commercial Hub, you can have a stake here and also make a profit of 32%. So at the end of 12 months, you get your 32% profit and your capital. It can never be this one. So your money is definitely making more money for you. So you do not have the 34 million to have a 500 square meter plot of land here. You can actually have what your money can afford and still make money in Tiwa Commercial Hub. So there are two ways. Have a land here for 34 million naira, or you have a stake here with at least 500,000 naira. You can actually do more than that. You can do it 2 million, you can do 100 million, but you are assured of a 32% profit guaranteed. How do you know that your profit is guaranteed? Now you have 3 documents you will be getting when you invest in Tiwa Commercial Hub, the cashback investment. You get a receipt, a sales receipt that shows the money you invested. You also have deed of assignment, of course, that transfers ownership to you for that year, and you have a certificate of investment. So yes, your investment is guaranteed. You also have a post-dated check. That means you already have your money with you. It's just that you're waiting till a particular time to withdraw it. It can never be this amazing, right? And you might be wondering, so how are they making this money? It's not Ponzi scheme, right? Anybody investing in this property right now is already making 47% returns on investment, and this is not yet 12 months. So that's how we make money. When it comes to real estate investment, everything is possible. Get what your money can afford and still be part of the party of returns on investment happening in Tiwa Commercial Hub. My name remains Uche. In case you're just coming across this channel, yes, I'm this happy girl that makes happy clients. Yes, that's all I do for a living, because my client satisfaction is the greatest motivation I have. Let your money stop lying in the bank. It's time to invest. Subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe. Let's grow together. Share my videos, comment, like, just do something for this baby girl. Do something and we will grow together.